Mox there as well. Dubnyk came out to play to the side, cut off by Gaudette. Wild break it up as the Canucks try to bring the puck to the front. And Brodin lifts one ahead. Here's Coyle trying to get behind the defense. Charlie Coyle in on Bachman. He deeks. He scores! Delzato and Stetcher caught flat-footed. And Charlie Coyle makes it 1-0.
Well, and you can tell Richard Bachman hasn't been in a while either because he hesitated. It looked like he might be able to get to that one. But the long alley-oop pass, I agree with you. There was the touchdown. Aaron Rodgers throwing this one. And you could see Richard Bachman's thinking about it, and then he just lays back and tries to play the deep. And just the speed of Charlie Coyle makes that nice little move to the backhand.